Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning all.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Guys, did you have breakfast this morning?
Not yet, ma'am.
Oh, same. So let's go to the canteen together later.
Okay.
Okay, before we start our learning this morning, please pray first. Please have one of the students lead the prayer.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity, ma'am. My beloved friends, let us pray according to our respective religions and beliefs. Prayer start. Prayer is never ending.
Thank you, Miftah. So let's check today attendance first. I will call your name one by one. Please raise your hand. Puspa Widyadana,
Present, ma'am.
Vika Sabrina,
Present, ma'am.
Putri Alma Aurelia,
Present, ma'am.
Alvina Royhana,
Present, ma'am.
Miftahul Ahyar,
Present, ma'am.
Salsabila Arifa,
Present, ma'am.
Ade Dwi Cahyanti,
Present, ma'am.
Hebi Ego,
Present, ma'am.
Hurati Ayunia,
Present, ma'am.
Lulu Fauzia,
Present, ma'am.
Shalfa Ramadita,
Present, ma'am.
Faki.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, student attendance is complete as everyone was able to take part in today's lesson. Today we will learn about various types of folded letter in correspondence activities. Who is here has ever received a letter using an envelope?
Me, ma'am.
Where did you get this, guys? Yes, Salsa?
I come from the organization, ma'am.
Salsa from the organization. Next,
Me, ma'am.
Vika
From school, ma'am.
from school. How about another?
Me, ma'am.
Yes, Alvina
From bank, ma'am.
from bank. Okay, my dear student, have you ever noticed that each fold in each letter is different from each other?
No.
Okay, then when we send a letter using an envelope, why do you think we should pay attention to the folded shape in the letter? Okay,
Adjusting the function of the letter, ma'am.
adjusting the function of the letter. Okay, great.
Me, ma'am.
Yes,
To make the letter beautiful.
to make look beautiful. Okay, great, Ade. Another,
Me, ma'am.
please, Miftah.
To make the letter more, make it easier to put on the envelope itself.
To make easier to put the envelope, yes.
The letter on the envelope.
Okay, great answer, Miftah. All of your question and answer is correct. Give applause. Okay, today we have learning objective that we must achieve. So here learning objective. The first is student know how to fold each type of letter correctly. And the second, students are able to fold various types of letter fold neatly and properly. And the third, students are able to understand the importance of letter fold.
Okay guys, now let's continue to our material today. But before that, we must know first what is the letter. So, a letter is a document that used to convey our messages to the recipient. And when you receive a letter and open it, maybe some of you didn't realize about the faults. And basically, there are 8 types of letter faults. Maybe does anyone know what are those types? Please raise your hand. Yes, Salsa.
Accordion fault, ma'am.
Okay, good. Another one.
I know, ma'am.
Yes, Vika.
Standard fault, ma'am.
Okay, good answer. Yes, Vina.
Single fault, ma'am.
Okay, good. Happy?
Baronial fault.
Okay, great. Another else? Yes, Puspa.
French fault, ma'am.
Okay, good. There's still 3 more. Do you know?
We don't know, ma'am. I forgot it, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine if you don't know because we're gonna learn it together after this. But before that, maybe you are wondering why we should learn this material or why we should know about these types of false letter, right? So let me tell you why. How the importance of understanding the false letter. For the first one, a folded letter can give you a good impression to the recipient. So it can reflect your level of professional impression, especially for the business correspondent context. And a folded letter also can minimize the risk of the letter being sent to the wrong address or the recipient having difficulty reading the content. And the next one is a folded letter needs to be adjusted by the type of content letter. Do you know what are the type of content letter? No? Okay. So basically there are 2 types of content letter, namely business letter or formal letter and personal letter or informal letter. And these 2 types cannot be used the same fault, okay? So it depends on your content and the recipient too. Okay, for the next one is a folded letter is not also look neat upon receipt, but also it can facilitate your storage and it will be easier for you to organize and archive the letter, aiding efficiency too to your storage management. And the last one, a folded letter is about a culture, understanding, and etiquette. So in some contexts, each fold has a different meaning on its way, and maybe, for example, in some countries, there are specific way to fold a letter that you must be followed in order to respect the tradition and social norms. Okay, that's all the thing that I can tell you. And until this point, do you have any questions maybe? Okay, not yet. So we can continue to the next material. As I mentioned earlier, this is the types of letter faults, and there are 8 types of it. Now you can see on the screen. What if maybe we can say it together in order to memorize it well? So for the first fault is
Standard fault, semi-standard fault, accordion fault, semi-accordion fault, single fault, parallel double fault, French fault, baronial fault.
Okay, good. Give applause to us. Okay, now I will explain each of this fault along with the advantages and disadvantages. For the first one, we talk about a standard fault. This is the most common fault and it is considered to be a formal letter. So this is the right choice if you want to convey your messages required with a neat, formal, and professional appearance. For the advantages, these are look neat for the result and it looks more professional, and then it is simple and easy to make even for the beginners. And it is considered to be a formal letter, so you can use to the formal business correspondence. And then it saves more spaces because the font is not too large. While the disadvantages, this may seem look ordinary compared to the other types of letter fonts. And then this is not secure to put an secret information, and it can easily visible from the outside because the font is open. Okay, next one we have semi-standard font. For this is a variation and another for the standard font. This is the difference only lies on the top font. For the advantages, this is look neater and formal than the standard font, and of course can be used to a formal letter or business correspondence. And then it cannot be easily visible from the outside because the font is closed, and it is more secure too than the standard font. You can put into a secret information. While the disadvantages, it is require more spaces because the result is a little bit of thicker, and then it is more complicated to create than the standard font. Okay, next one we have an accordion font. This is also known as a concertina font, which has a unique and distinct eye-catching appearance. The result is like an accordion appearance where it is folded repeatedly with section gradually opening up. For the advantages, it is more unique and attention grabbing, so it is suits for you if you want to convey your messages with different impression. And also it is allows for longer paper length, so it can switch for constitutional content. But for the disadvantages, this is more difficult to make and more hard to open too, so the recipient may be struggling for reading the content. Okay, next we have semi-accordion font. This one is a combination between a standard font and accordion font. So for the advantages, this is more easier to open than the accordion font, and also this is considered to be an informal letter. For the disadvantages, it is more intricate compared to the standard font, so it may not switch for the business letter. And also it is not secure for putting in secret information. Okay, next one we have a single font. This is the simplest and most common used for the letter. So it is quick and easy to create, and all you need to do is just by making a half of letter fonts. For the advantages, this is a simple and easy to make because it just involves one steps, and then it can easily be put in on the small envelopes and not require much spaces. And for the disadvantages, it tends to be less formal appearance, so it is not suitable for business letter. And also it is not secure for you to put in confidential information, and it can easily visible from the outside because the font is easy to open. And next we have parallel double font. For this one is a top choice of various font, and by mastering this technique you can enhance your presentation and you can look more professional and respect to the recipient. For the advantages, it is look neat and also look more formal than the single font. And for the disadvantages, it is result look more thicker than the single font and may be hard to open by the recipient.
Okay, the next we have French font.
The French fault is common use to use if you want to give a nice impression to your recipient. And this advantage is slightly complicated because it was requires more space. And the next we have the last is baronial fault. The baronial fault is common use for office events. And the advantage is neat, formal, and luxurious. And this advantage is complicated because it was more complex than another faults. Okay, any question, class?
Not yet.
Okay, because we don't have question, so we will go to the practice. So I will give you paper and we will go to practice together.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, give to your friends. Okay. Give to your friend, please. Okay. Okay, enough? Okay, we will go to the practice. For the first, we have standard faults. How to fold it? As you can see, you need to divide your paper into 3 equal same. Part 1, part 2, and part 3. You need to divide your paper into 3 equal same. Part 1, part 2, and part 3. And then you must fold it like this. Part 1 to the part 2 and part 3 to the part 2. Okay, already clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please up your paper. Up your paper, please, Aurelia. Okay, fine, is good. The next, we have semi-standard fault. You can call it low standard fault. How to fold? Like standard fault, but in one part, you need to fold it tiny than 2 parts. Part 1 is little than 2 parts. Okay? After that, we need to fold it to the part 2, like this. Okay. Miftah, do you have a problem?
Not yet.
Okay, not yet. How about Mother? Can you? Okay, you can?
Yes.
Up your paper, please. Okay, nice. Go to the next is accordion fold. You can call it with Z fold. How to fold it? Divide your paper into 3 parts, and then part 1 is up and part 3 is down, like this. 3 equal same. 1, 2, 3. Part 1 is up and part 3 is down, like this. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, part 1 is up and part 3 is down.
Like this.
Okay, right, Salsa? Happy, can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. Up your paper. Okay, finish? Okay, good. The next we have semi-accordion fold, or you can call it with low accordion fold. How to fold it? Like accordion fold, but in one part you need to fold it a little than 2 parts. Part 1 is little than 2 parts. Part 1, part 2, and part 3. Okay, and then part 1 is fold up and part 3 is fold down. Like this. Okay, you can see it. Part 1 is up and part 3 is down. Okay, finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have problem or no?
No.
Okay, we can continue. The next we have single fold. Single fold is very easy. You just need to fold it once, like this, with two equal same, okay? With two equal same, and you will fold it.
It's so easy, ma'am.
Okay, so easy. How about another? So easy? Easy. Okay, easy. Next we have parallel double fold. How to fold it like single fold, but we need to fold it once again. For the first, we will make single fold. Okay, single fold. And the next we will fold it once again. Okay, nice, Happy. Salsa, can you?
Yes, ma'am. Like this is right.
Yes, right. How about you? Yeah? Okay, I will repeat. For the first, you need to make single fold. Okay, single fold like this. And then you need to fold it once again. Okay? You get it, guys? Okay, very good. The next is French fold. How to fold it? You need to divide your paper into two equal sides, like this. Two equal same, like this. Finish? Okay. And then you need to fold it again with two equal same too, like this. Okay. One more, okay? You need to divide your paper into two equal same like this. Okay? And then you will fold it again with two equal same too. Okay, finish?
Finish, ma'am.
Up your paper? Okay, good. And then the last we have baronial fold. How to fold it? You will divide your paper into two equal same, like single fold. Like single fold. Okay, and then you will divide your paper again with three parts. Part 1, part 2, and part 3. Okay, part 1, part 2, and part 3. It looks like door. Okay, and then you will fold it. Do you have problems? Okay, like that. Widya Jana, can you?
I can, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, we have practice, and I want to ask three for us to come in forward to practice. I want Salsabila, please.
Yes,
And Alvina, and then Widya Jana. Okay. Okay, please. For Salsabila, I want to ask you to parallel double fold, and for Widya Jana, I want to ask you to standard fold, and for Alvina is accordion fold. I will give you 1 minute and you will do it by yourself, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. We will be waiting.
I'm done.
Okay, done. Good. How about Salsabila?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, we will wait for Alvina.
I'm done, ma'am.
Okay, we will correct together. For Salsabila is?
Parallel double fold.
Okay, parallel double fold is like that. Okay, like standard fold. Like single fold, but you will fold it again. Like that is correct. Give an applause. Okay, and then is Widya Jana. Widya Jana is standard fold. You need to divide your paper into 3 equal parts, and then you will fold it to the middle. Okay, correct?
Correct.
Okay, nice. Give it up, guys. And the last is Alvina.
Like this, ma'am. But
Oh, what is that?
what is that?
Accordion fold?
No.
Oh, that is not folds, guys. How to fold accordion fold is you need to divide your paper into 3 equal shape. Yes, 3 equal shape. And then part 1 is up and part 3 is down. Like this. So sorry, can I help you?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you need to fold it. You divide your paper into 3 equal shape. Part 1 is up and part 3 is down. Okay, accordion fold is like Z fold, like that. You can see it?
Yes.
Okay, you can sit down. Thank you. Give an applause. Okay, because our practice is over, so I will give you a little gift. What is the gift? Okay, this gift. Okay, our homework is make a video about types of letter folds, and with the following condition. For Miftahul Akhir, can you help me to read the following condition?
My pleasure, ma'am.
Okay.
The homework itself to make a video about the types of letter folds with the following condition. First, the video contains the step in making a letter. Second, the video duration is at least 5 minutes. Third, the video is made as creative and interesting as possible. And the last one is the video is collected a maximum of 1 week after this task is due.
Okay, thank you, Miftah. So the videos that meet above criteria will select 3 video best and will be posted on school YouTube. Do you get it, guys? Okay.
So let's move to the next session. Before that, I just wanna ask you a little. What do you think we should do for the next material? Oh, sorry, for the next session, we should do more material or anything? It?
I want games, ma'am.
Okay, games. Okay, what a good decision, right? So, I think I know what the perfect games for you guys. So, here I have ball of paper. I will give this ball of paper to Aurel, and Aurel should roll this ball among another to another when songs is playing. When songs stops, the student who hold this ball needs to come forward in front of the class and answering question from me. Do you get it, guys? Okay, Aurel, please hold this ball and I will prepare the songs. Okay, songs is prepared. So, do you guys ready for this game? Okay, songs is playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, it's loading, guys. Please wait a moment, right?
Ma'am, what
Yeah.
song do you play?
It's Taylor Swift. Do you know Taylor Swift? Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, so before the songs is loading, it's too long for us to waiting, so let's sing a song. So what do you think we should sing for this song, for these games?
Indonesian song, maybe?
Do you know about childhood songs called Shine, like you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Okay, so we will sing the song together and I will say stops and the student who hold the ball should come forward in front of the class, right? Okay, Aurel, songs is sings in 3, 2, 1. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me stop. Ayun, please come forward in front of the class.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, but please come forward in front of the class. Okay, Ayun, thank you for coming forward in front of the class. I just have the one question for you. The song is not that hard. It's just about material that you have been studied in this class. Okay. So, what do you think? It is important to find the best fault in the letter before we send.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for the question. I will answer the question based on my opinion and the material that have been explained earlier. Okay, so why we should choose the best type of fault is because when we choosing the right type of fault, it can improve the impression of politeness, aesthetic, and the effectiveness of conveying message in letter. And in order, appropriate fault can also help maintain the security and effectiveness of content of message.
Okay, that's all.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Ayun. Good answer. Please give applause to Ayun. Okay, Ayun, you can back to your seat. Okay.
And this.
Just hold this, and the ball will start a roll among Ayun. Okay, so it give to Lulu and another. Okay. Do you guys ready to sing again?
For the next song. I'm nervous.
What?
For the next song.
How? Is it the same? Okay, Twinkle.
Twinkle.
Okay. So songs is sings in 3, 2, 1. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Stop. I wonder why. Stop. Okay, Aurel. Please come forward in front of the class. Okay, Aurel, calm down. Please don't be nervous. Okay, so I have question for you, and the question is also not hard. Okay, please calm down. Don't be nervous. Okay, the songs. The question is it any best fault to use in the business activities?
Faults for business activities. Okay, thank you for the opportunity, ma'am. For me, in my opinion, for daily activities, we can use standard fault, 3-fold, and C-fold. This 3-fold can also be used for business activities. But if the company wants a formal impression, we can also use what's that? Z-fold and accordion fold, and that's all, ma'am.
Okay, Aurel, great answer, great opinion also. So give applause to Aurel, please. Okay, we should do more or anything or next material. More. One more time. Okay, so songs is playing in 3, 2, 1.
What song is it?
Twinkle, twinkle. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Stop. Okay, will you please come forward in front of the class? Okay. Okay, Happy. Thank you for come forward in front of the class. So I have question for you. Is there any specific purpose using curtain letter in correspondence?
Okay, thank you for the question, ma'am. I think for the purpose of the chorus activity, the first one is we if we should use the standard font, it can give a letter neat and general impression, and of course professional. And the second, if we use the three folds for the correct activity, it can give with a near and more formal, because it's like understand to recipient understanding. And the next, I think the last, of course, I think it's Z fold, because the Z fold can give understanding, of course, to present the content, and the recipient can easy to understand the content in the letter.
Okay, good opinion, Habit. Thank you so much. And give applause to Habit, please. Okay, you can back to your seat. Okay. Okay, I hope all the ice breaking and games can make you rephrase about the material.
Okay, well, that was all of what material that I wanted to share to all of you about a letter fold in English correspondence, guys. Anyway, and I hope that this material today could give you a better understanding about how to compose a letter in a neat and in professional way. Anyway, guys, because we already reached our end session here, maybe I want someone of two to give me conclusion, or maybe your impression about our learning today and about this material. Raise your hand if you want to give me.
Can I try, ma'am?
It's okay, Ade. Yes.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity, but I will try to explain about the conclusion of the material today. So, the folding letter can make it easy to read and make the letter look so gorgeous and beautiful. And of course, the folding letter can make the storage is very easy to and easy, effective and efficiently. And knowing and using the right types of the letter fold can make the good impression on the recipients. So that I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Wow, that was great conclusion from you, Ade. Maybe anyone want to add more conclusion? Raise your hand.
I will try, ma'am.
Yes, Pika, please.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. So, in here I will give impression and also conclusion about our material today.
Good. Go.
For the impression, today's the lesson is really fun because the material is also this ice breaking and also games.
Thank you.
For the conclusion, I will give we are learn about the types of letter fold, how important for the letter fold, and also about the advantages and disadvantages of the letter fold, and also we learn about the formal and non-formal letter fold, so we can know what the differences about the formal and non-formal letter fold. That's all for me.
Enough? Great, Vika and Ade, give in applause. Well guys, from all of your conclusion, I could completely conclude that you are already understanding better about this material today, and I would like to add some reminding to all of you that the point in letter correspondence is the details of your letter, because it's very important. It's very important and depends on what type of your letter and to whoever your letter will be given. So please make sure, pay attention to the details of your letter. But Miss, how can I get the perfect details for the letter, for every letter that we made? The answer is practice. You need to take practice a lot. A lot of practice you take, a lot of perfect detail you will have. Okay? And let's take an example. Let's say that this is Vika letter. Vika as a student, he want to give this letter to the important people, maybe your teacher. Who want to be the teacher? Miftah maybe. This Vika letter have Ahead of the letter, have a date, have the main contents, and also the paragraph of Vika. Then Vika fold it like this. What is the name of the fold?
Single fold.
Great, great. And then let's just say that this is put in envelope. Then Vika give it this to her teacher. What will the teacher say about Vika?
Your letter is very formal and
Formal,
it's
yes, correct.
good that you put it on the envelope first. And also you also don't forget to give your detailed information on the letter itself.
Yeah, you will think, the teacher will think that Vika is a really neat, polite, and the teacher will see Vika is will good impression. Okay, that's a little example for this letter correspondence. So, and I hope that all student here never send your unstructured letter and your mass fault to the important people around you, because it's very rude, and I hope you never ever doing that. Okay, understand? Okay, good. Because yeah, without any further ado, I see you guys are starting to get tired. I cannot focus on me anymore. Am I right? Do you need breaks? Okay, calm down. Today material was complete. And last but not least, I have reminding you again about this homework. Don't forget to do your homework on time. Submit it on time, and you have 1 week until the deadline. Anyway, anybody have question about the assignment?
Yes.
Oh, Hebi first.
Okay. Can we collaborate with our friends to doing homework and we uploading the same video?
For same video, you cannot. You must think about the different themes, but you can collaborate. You can help each other with your friend. Maybe you can collaborate with Widyadana, and Widyadana collaborate with you. That's okay. Is it clear?
Clear, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. My pleasure. Yes.
Where we can collect the video, ma'am?
Collect the video. Who's the class leader here? Okay, Miftah, could you help me to make a Google Drive?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
okay, and you send it to the Google, maybe a WhatsApp group.
Yes, I can.
Okay, you then collect it on there, and don't forget for the deadline. We start our meeting in first Friday. Okay.
Yes.
Then your deadline must be on Thursday before 12 a.m. so I can check your progress of your letter and name. And I have a last things to say to all of you, last word maybe about the conclusion. A letter folded to a certain standard will look neat, easy to read, and easy to store. The way the letter is folded plays an important role in the presentation of the document and leaves a good impression on the recipient. Folding a letter also gives a professional and organized impression to the sender and recipient. Okay, clear everybody? Yes. I guess that's all I want to say about the material today, and I want to say thank you for your nice participation and your nice attention. I really appreciate that. So see you on the next week. I hope you have a great, nice breaks before your next classes. Okay, and yeah, that's all for me. I guess it's time to say goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next week, okay?